How to share screen time across Apple devices. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in to the same Apple account on all of your devices and that screen time is already enabled. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap Screen Time. Then scroll down until you find the Share Across Devices option. Simply tap the toggle to turn it on. Once enabled, your screen time data will automatically sync across all compatible Apple devices that are signed in with the same Apple account, including your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. This lets you view your combined app usage, screen time reports, and downtime information in one place, making it easier to monitor your activity across all of your devices. If you ever want to stop syncing your screen time data, just return to the same menu and turn Share Across Devices off. That's it. You've successfully enabled Share Across Devices for screen time. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, Apple tutorials, and easy tech guides.